As part of this topic, let's understand the usage of like operator or like function while filtering the data in data frames. Like is primarily used for partial comparison. Example, search for names which starts with SCO at the beginning. We can use like to get results which starts with a pattern or ends with a pattern or contain the pattern. We will see examples related to starting with a pattern as well as containing a pattern. We can also use negation with like. Spark also provides rlike to take care of partial comparison using regular expression. However, I am not going to cover regular expression at this time, and hence I will not be showing any examples with rlike. First, let's create this Spark session object by name Spark. Using that, we'll be creating a data frame by name employees df. To create this data frame, we will be using this employees list which contains 4 employee details. Let's create this list first, then let's create the data frame. We can preview the data in the data frame using show like this. You can see that this data frame contains fields such as employee ID, first name, last name, salary, bonus, nationality, phone number, SSN, etc. Now let's perform few tasks related to like. The first task is nothing but get employees whose first name starts with SCO. This is how like operator is used using SQL style. The main condition is in double quotes. The value against which we are trying to compare the column is in single quotes. Also, we need to specify percentage either at the end or at the beginning or both the sides depending upon the use case. In this case, we are trying to get employees whose first name starts with SCO and hence percentage should be after SCO. This will provide us the data where first name starts with SCO. You can see the output here. It returns only one record, which is nothing but this one. You can see there is SCO at the beginning. Many times we might have data in mixed case in different records. For example, first name for some records might be in uppercase, for some records it might be in lowercase. We might want to perform case insensitive search, which means as long as it have characters such as SCO at the beginning, whether the case is uppercase or lowercase or mixed case, it shouldn't matter. If that is the case, what we can do is we can use upper on top of first name. Whatever is the value, it will be converted to uppercase. Then we can compare with SCO in capitals and then percentage like this. In this case, we have only one record and hence it will return only one record. If you have multiple records and if the data is added using mixed case, ignoring the case, it will actually return the data for you. Now, if you want to use API style, this is how it will look like. Let's import call function first and let's create a hypothetical column object, which is nothing but C. Once you create it, you should be able to get the help on like function that is available on column type. Let me import the column first. Let me create object C, which is of type column. Then we should be able to say help of C.like and you can see the output. Once the columns are passed using column type, we should be able to invoke this like function. And as part of that, we can actually pass the string against which we want to compare with. A percentage at the end is mandatory. Without percentage, it will not work. Now let's run this. This is the API style and you can see the output. If you wanted to perform case insensitive search, then you can use upper on top of column and then you can invoke like and pass the string in uppercase like this. Let's import upper here and let's run this. It will take care of returning one record for us. If you have multiple records where the data is used using mixed case, ignoring the case, it will actually return the results. As we have only one record in our case, it will return only one record. Now let's perform another task. It is nothing but get employees where first name contain OTT irrespective of case. This is the example for SQL style syntax. We are just saying upper of first name, then like, then percentage OTT percentage. You have to have percentage on both the sides if you wanted to solve the problem such as containing a particular string as part of a column value. Now let's run this. It will take care of returning one record for us. If you wanted to take care of this using API style, it is almost same as what we have seen earlier. We just have to make sure that we have percentage at the beginning also. Let's run this and we should be able to see the output. Now let's perform another task. In this case, get employees whose phone number does not start with +44. So in this case, we are actually talking about negation over like. If you are using SQL style syntax, there is not like operator. You should be able to use not like this and you should be able to see the output. Except for one phone number with employee ID 3, none of the phone numbers doesn't start with +44. That's why you can see the 3 records here. This is how you should be able to use not like using SQL style. If you wanted to use negation using API style, this is how it will look like. You just have to specify the condition. Before the condition, you just have to use tilde. Whatever returns false, they will be returned when you use tilde at the beginning. Now if you run this, it will act like not like and you should be able to see the records which doesn't start with +44 with respect to the phone number. You can see the output here. This is how you should be able to use like or not like for partial comparison against the column values depending upon your requirement.